Hello! Thank you so much for taking the piano lessons. I do appreciate. You are teaching me so much, so I would say you are my teacher. Thank you. And during this quarantine, I'd like to start the rhythm practice more seriously. And here's a story. Yesterday, I met with my best friend. She is physicist. We are talking about computer languages, and she told me when she started learning the computer languages, there are only 1, 2, 3 kinds of the languages. And now she has thousands of the languages in computer. But she got noticed. There are 2, 3 computer languages are applying to thousands of the computer languages now. So that was the same as music, I thought. There are many rhythm patterns, many melodies and music. But basics are here. The thing we need to learn is how to apply these few things to the many things. So, here's a point. Start learning from the basics. Slowly. Be patient with me, step by step, and apply those knowledge into your music later. So you can play whatever the music you want later with fun. Thank you. I'm enjoying with you. Appreciate. Let's go from the basics. The first line. You see the note inside the block with the stem. These are called quarter note. The value is 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. Let's see the number. This means 4/4. You have 4 beats in one measure. You could count 1, 1, 1, 1, or 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Move to the second line. Each note is called eighth note. When there are more than 2 eighth notes, we connect together. One eighth note looks like this. Inside the block with the flag. The value is 2 eighth note is equal to 1 count. You could count 1 and 1 and 1 and 1 and or 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Let's play eighth note. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Third line. You see the note inside the block with 2 flags. This note is called 16th note. For 16th note, value is equal to 1 beat. And like same as 8th note, when you have more than 2 16th notes, we combine together. 1, 1, 1, 1, or 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and let's play 1 2 3 4. Let's play from the top. 1 2 3 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 2 3 4. Are you clear? Let's move to number 2. Rhythm patterns with tie. What is tie? Tie is this line. When not on the same line or same space are joined by a curved line, we call them tied note. The key is held down for the combined values of both notes. Let's see this line. You have one quarter note and two eighth note. Remember, one quarter note value is 1. Two eighth note value become 1 beat. You can count 1 and 1 and or 1 and 2 and. Since you have tie here, this note is held. That means you play only the first note and the last note. You hold this note value. 1 and 2 and 1 and 1 and. Let's move this line. The note which has dot next to quarter note is called dotted quarter note. The value is same as you had quarter note with tied eighth note. 1 and 2 and. When you play, let's go 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. These look different, but you play same. Let's go from this line. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. Let's move to practice number 1. This is a quarter note. The value is 1. These two notes are called eighth note. 2 eighth note value is same as quarter note, 1 beat. These are called 16th note. For 16th note value is same as quarter note. You count as 1. Let's play. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So let's play with the melody. That is more fun. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Move to practice number 2. You have tied note and dotted quarter note. Remember, when you have tie, you don't play the note which is connected with the tie, and you hold that value. This is a quarter note. You play this first note and count 1. These are eighth note. You count 2 eighth note as 1, but you don't play this first eighth note. 1 and 2 and. Are you clear? And when you have dotted quarter note, you play the same. The difference is you have tied note with eighth note, or this value is showed in one music note. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Let's play with the melody. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 4 and 3 and 4 and. I'm hoping everything's clear with you.